Talk more about the new U.S. tariffs that are now in effect. Megan Casella's in Washington with more. Good morning.
Hey guys, good morning. So this is Trump's most aggressive trade move yet. This is far bigger than anything we saw during his first term. And there was a lot of hope, and I would say even expectation, that we would not get to this point, that we'd see another delay. But as of 12:01 a.m., the 25% tariff on Mexican and Canadian goods, as you just laid out, that 10% tariff on Canadian energy, and the extra 10% on China, those are all now in effect. So this covers well over $1 trillion in trade, and that's before you start to count in the retaliation. So it's upending not only decades of what has been fairly open trade across North America, but it also tears up President Trump's own North American trade deal that had been a signature accomplishment of his first term. So now all three countries preparing to respond. Canada has put out a list of about $107 billion U.S. dollars in U.S. exports, mostly consumer goods and food, that will start to see tariffs. They're also discussing some non-tariff measures, things like cutting off exports of electricity and of nickel, potentially ending some contracts with Elon Musk companies, Starlink. China's also putting up 10 to 15% tariffs on U.S. goods, mostly food, and putting 25 American companies on various trade blacklists. We do expect to hear more from Mexico's president later this morning. We might get some specifics on retaliation then. But guys, I would say the big question for today is also whether we hear anything more from the White House and whether a strong market reaction could lead Trump, I would say, to potentially pull back. Guys?
Yep. Different countries, different rationales, fentanyl, make things here, renegotiate the USMCA. We got a lot of different, some could stay on, some could come off. Thanks, Megan.